Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading out to a locked gate behind Mount Field National Park. The key to this gate can be obtained at the information centre located by Russell Falls. And after a quick spill on the dangers of sinkholes in the area and a payment of a key deposit, we were off to find this hidden gem. Today we're at this inconspicuous looking dead-end logging road. It's actually the entrance to a hike to Growling Swallet. So we're going to head up this track and show you where it goes. The 20-minute hike into Growling Swallet weaves through some spectacular temperate rainforest, with giant ash and myrtle trees making up the bulk of the canopy above. Due to its location and recent rainfall, there were sections of this track that resembled chocolate mousse. This forest walk also has an abundance of ferns, fungi and mosses, whose vibrant shape and colours bring this forest to life as you walk through. The term swallet is given to a sinkhole that allows water to pour down into a cave system, and the name growling simply comes from the sound a sinkhole makes as large volumes of water fall into its depths. Hey! The dense moss-covered undergrowth made it difficult to see further than a few metres ahead, making this place feel protected and unique. As you can see, we've come across a rare specimen of a Amelia monkey. Whilst hiking out of this beautiful place, we wondered where the water would resurface and if it was accessible. A brief look at our park notes pointed us in the direction of Juni Cave. Described as a river appearing from a cave, this had to be it. Finding the point this water re-emerged seemed to complete the story, connecting the dots between our two hikes that day. Such a beautiful place we'd been lucky to explore. And judging by the grin on Claire's face, another excellent experience for a growing young girl.
Claire, what do you think of that?
With our next few days jam-packed with plans for adventure, we're excited to keep sharing it all with you. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. If we could have done something different, leave a comment. But most of all, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on what we get up to next.